3D printing can be a very useful tool for an FTC team. You can make custom parts out of many materials and colors. But knowing where to start and how to make and print a 3D model can be challenging. I'm going to be showing you how. To modify 3D prints, you need to use some sort of CAD software. CAD stands for Computer Aided Design. Tinkercad is a simplistic and free CAD software that I use. You can import and export files from it very easily. One way you can get 3D models is to use Thingiverse. It's a database of uploaded 3D models that people have created, and it can be a great tool. Not only can you take 3D models directly from it and print them, but you can also take models from it and modify them and then print them. After exporting a 3D model from a database like Thingiverse or a CAD design software like Tinkercad, you have to put your model into a slicer. A slicer divides your model into layers so that your 3D printer can print it. It takes the file and spits out one that your printer can read. In a slicer, you can change many print settings, like the scale, the thickness, or even the speed of the print, and much more. I use Cura. It's a free software that is compatible with a good handful of printers. Otherwise, there are countless other free slicers out there. The next step after this would be to put the file that the slicer gave you onto a physical storage device. A micro SD slot is common on most printers. You then go into the printer's user interface and find the file and hit the print button. If you have any problems with the actual physical 3D print, I have linked a website in the video description that explains the hows, the whys, and how to fix such problems.